On mine, it's pretty tall. It's a 3.05, but the transfer case is 272, and then my diffs are 456. So 456 on 33s is freaking short.
Yeah.
But I think it helped out a lot there. Yeah, dude, that gas can I got on the passenger side, the green one, it's got a hole in it now. I don't know what I hit, but could have been. I didn't think I did either. But it makes me wonder, no, because it's thinner than the width of the truck. I don't know. But I do know that last year I let Jeffrey Oldham and Ashley Oldham borrow those gas cans when they went down to the Big Bend. And they didn't have the best trip. I mean, they liked it, but they had some issues. And it came back dented. So I wonder if that has a part to play in it.
It probably does. Back up, though.
You're on your control arm in the back. You're right on that rock, dude.
You're not hard on it, though. That's just different. Is he diffing out on that rock?
He's diffing out on the back. I can see it. Hey, roll your window down. You're dragging the diff and the control arm in the back. If you back up, we might be able to move to pack that rock, pack around it or something.
If he could actually go just a little driver.
Go driver? Okay, go driver. While backing up? No. Just go straight back. How's he at that tree? Right there. All right, go driver.
I'd say hard driver and forwards if you feel comfortable with it. Brian, does it look good doing that? Yeah, just straight falling up. If he can climb that rock with that fire, he should be good.
Yeah, if he can get it on top, he'll be golden. Nope, he's hitting the diff again. Okay, so back here, there's a huge rock you can't see on camera. It's kind of right here. He was diffing out on it. So he packed rocks around it, little rocks around it, trying to get those tires above it. Oh yeah, there you go. That's a lot better. There you go. Good drive, good drive.
Momentum. A little bit, yeah.
So this is genuinely some of the hardest wheeling I've done in years. And Tahoe's not doing as bad as I thought it would. The reduction gears and the limited slip in the back are a huge help. According to everybody else, I actually had less wheel spin going up those steps than Brian did in the Lexus. So, but I think my tires are slightly taller than his. I don't know. I got 17-inch wheels. He's got 18, but they're both 285. So maybe they're the same. But so right now, Brent did not feel like doing it, which is fine. There's no shame in that at all. So, man, I can barely fit through. Just hit my mirror again. So he's gonna meet us around as we get closer to the main trail. So yeah, it's a lot of freaking fun though. Oh my gosh.